Hello guys, my name is Abbas and you're watching my YouTube channel Crazy Crypto. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project where you can earn a lot of profits in the future. Before starting our video, I request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Friends, this is not a financial advice and please do your own research before depositing any amount in any crypto projects. So this is totally an educational video. Friends, let's move to the project and tell you the more about the project. And you can see this is project is about. In today video we are going to take a closer look at the Ultima ecosystem, a blockchain based project that has been gaining attention in the crypto space because of its multiple products and expanding digital services. So friend, this video is strictly for educational purpose only, and I'll be sharing information about how the platform works and the services it offers and why some people are talking about it. As always, it is not a financial advice, and you should do your own research before using any crypto related project. So friends, Ultima is a present as a blockchain ecosystem built around it digital assets. Unlike any projects, the focus only on a token, Ultima appears to be trying to create a wider network and service that create a wider network service that create connect together inside an ecosystem. The project describes itself as a focusing on blockchain payments, digital asset storage, crypto based e-commerce and decentralized tool and automated technology service. One of the main idea behind the project is increasing an environment there user can access several crypto tools from a single ecosystem instead of using separate platform. There is only one of the reason why some users have started paying attention to this. Now look at the sum of major like U wallet. You can see their U wallet here, and this is ecosystem and it is used to store digital assets. You can see here their U wallets, and these are their links, and you can see their CEO. So if we card tell about their card, you can see U card, another interesting product that U card. This is designed to connect a cryptocurrency with real world spending by allowing users to potentially use digital assets in everything and purchases. Many blockchain projects are trying to bridge the gap between crypto and additional payments, and these appears like that. And like that, they have use safe Ultima also user safe, which focus on the cold storage, and also they have market services. The ecosystem also includes. So if we talk more about the Ultima, you can see they have the UTrading. Talk about the market cap, you can see the Ultima on the market cap, and these are the why Ultima prices down, and everything is here, and you can see their prices will be grown to the skyways, and also you can see their market cap and total volume, and also you can check it on the coin market cap. If we talk about their social media, you can see their Twitter have got good attention here, and you can see Ultima powerful crypto ecosystem and uniting, and also these are their top news and weeks, and you can see easily their real posts and daily important updates of the extension, 100% performance Ultima, and don't miss your chance to before September 27 and act now pay. These are their new posts, and you should go through their social media and join that. And if we more talk about their Ultima market cap, and you can see their Ultima chain here, and you can see their transactions and everything is here. So we talk about the Ultima cards, and also they have their own wallets and trade on the crypto informants and earn for their Ultima rising prices, and you can see these are the thanks to the tokens growth strategy send the receive, and you can receive their transaction into Ultima where your world. So like that, you can go through their links through market cap and coin gecko, and also on the BSC. So these are their main website. And if we more talk about the project, one of the featured actors like attention to people use automation technology. Some parts of the ecosystem are designed to make a user experience simpler and reducing manual action. Instead of inquiring consistent motivated, certain tools are built to help users manage activities for potentially. In crypto, automation has been increased the popular basis, and you can see because many users after prefer system that the cooperate with the less days to less inspiration. However, it's always important to understand how any automated system works before relying it. That means learning and what are the tools actually does the what's permissions are required. So guys, let me talk about the UTrading bot. We have already told you about the UTrading bot they have, and you can see if you join from link we will give you in the description, you can easily get these 275 rupees. So these will get you can get if you join from the link that we will give you in the description. And these bots are totally free and free of cost, and you have spent not want to spend any money in these bots. And you can easily check that these bots are totally for free. And also you can see how it works. You talk about if you have account in BingX or MEXC account, you can easily go through the steps, and these are the steps how to join link your account through the trading bot. Step by step, log into your account and top up the balance, and log and after that login account in the official MEX section and navigate to the API section. Create your API key. This is very simple. You can easily create your API key, set permission for the API key, and allow you can easily view your details, view your orders details and trades, and confirm IP permission on MEXC exchange, and also save keys copies. So these keys are very important and save into safe place, and use these keys to configure profit bot. And these are the important notes, though please read these notes very carefully. So friend, these are the if you join from our link, we will give in the description. This is the master link, and you can easily go through and you can check out that you will give this bot free of the cost. And these bot are free of cost for welcome bonus, and you can easily check it out. So friend, like that you can use these bots and earn profit for the future. Also a master project, and you can see there are several reasons why Ultima has been getting attention online. Some of these includes their good social media wallets, payments integration, and automated features, and international expectations for the efforts. A lot of crypto projects launch with only one project hour, but projects that try to build a large ecosystem often receive more seriously because they appear to offer long-term utility rather than the short-term. That does not automatically make any platform safe or successful. So like that you can easily go through their coin market cap and check it out. There the project is legit. So before using any blockchain platform, there are some things every should very evaluate carefully. Always check project transparency, official documentation, security features, and use your reviews. So like that, never make decision based only on social media posts, referral links, hypes, videos, etc. So you can check it out from these links, and we will give you all links in our description, and you can check it out. So from a technology perspective and the ultimate appearance in the trying to build a more the dust token, it's come wallet tools, payment systems, storage solutions, and ecosystem also. That makes it very interesting than many basic crypto projects that offers only a coin. But as with the project crypto solution, if we talk about a professional look and performance does the not remove to need to research. So that general overview for the Ultima ecosystem and why it has been getting attention in the blockchain. You that the total supply of the Ultima is totally 100k Ultima, and this is very good for you. Yeah, this supply is very very low, and you can earn profit in the future. So friend, I hope you will like our video. If you like our video, and like and subscribe to our channel, links all are in the description. Kindly check from there. Thank you very much. See you in the next video very soon.